What if I told you that most pharma labs are still running million-dollar operations on spreadsheets, disconnected systems, and manual workarounds while claiming to be digitally transformed? In this video, we're dropping 10 truth bombs about lab informatics no one wants to say out loud, but your lab desperately needs to hear. Truth bomb number 1: AI and QC labs is not ready to make batch release decisions alone. Yes, machine learning is promising, but explainability, validation, and compliance are huge blockers. If your AI can't show why it made a decision, regulators won't accept it. AI needs to be accountable under 21 CFR Part 11 and ALCOA++, or it's just expensive guesswork. Truth bomb 2. Most labs live in integration hell. Your LIMS doesn't talk to your ELN, your instruments don't talk to either. Everyone's copying data manually. Middleware APIs and connectors are the only way forward, but most labs don't even have a proper data flow map. Truth bomb 3: digital twin labs are real and they're changing the game. They're being used for capacity modeling, predictive maintenance, and even real-time deviation detection. Smart labs are using this to avoid downtime and make audits a breeze. Truth bomb 4: spreadsheets are everywhere and that's a problem. Audit trails version control data integrity? Excel has none of it. If your lab is still using spreadsheets for test results inventory or batch tracking, it's not a digital lab. It's a ticking compliance time bomb. Truth bomb 5. Dumping everything into a data lake doesn't create value. Without structure and context, it's just digital clutter. Labs are now moving toward lab knowledge graphs where relationships between data are mapped, searchable, and actionable. Truth bomb 6. No-code ELNs sound great until scientists start breaking workflows. Giving scientists freedom is powerful, but without governance, you end up with chaos. Standardized templates plus training plus oversight is the real formula for success. Truth bomb 7. Following ALCOA is the minimum. ALCOA++ is the new normal. Especially in AI-enabled labs, you need to show data lineage, traceability, and decision auditability, not just that data exists. Truth bomb 8: CROs are now being evaluated on digital maturity, not just cost. If your CRO can't provide real-time collaboration, data traceability, and audit readiness, they may not be selected, no matter how competitive their pricing is. Truth bomb 9: Lab 4.0 is not just having software. It's about integrated workflows, smart automation, real-time data visibility, and predictive capability. Most labs are still stuck at Lab 2.5, paper pushed into a dashboard. Truth bomb 10: Digitization means nothing if you're not tracking the right KPIs. Forget just cost savings, track turnaround time, error reduction, data availability, audit readiness, and reuse of scientific knowledge. That's real ROI. Digital transformation in labs isn't about buzzwords or shiny software, it's about aligning people, processes, and platforms. If you're ready to challenge assumptions and upgrade your lab intelligence, hit like, subscribe, and let's build smarter labs, not just digital ones.